This video will introduce Pond5.com, a marketplace for creators, by a quick overview. The royalty share of contributors may go as high as 90%. Pond5 is an online platform providing a marketplace for content creators. It is one of the leading stock footage portals, although it offers other content types as well. Pond5 was founded in 2006 as a stock library for videos, and later they expanded their media types. The available media types include video footage, music, After Effects, sound effects, photos, illustrations, and 3D models. They offer more than 25 million video clips, which makes them an essential resource for filmmakers and content creators worldwide. Let's briefly go through some of the features, followed up by highlighting the benefits of becoming a contributor. Royalty-free media. All of the content available on Pond5 is offered under the Content License Agreement, which allows worldwide usage after purchasing the file once. Free media. Pond5 offers selected media as free downloads, and also they have specially curated free clip of the week section. In addition, their public domain collection contains thousands of free historic video files and other types of content. Exclusive collections. Their collections are extended by a special category having content exclusively available only on Pond5, including premium hand-curated footage. Credit packs. Purchasing media on Pond5 does not require having a subscription. There is a choice to pay per item, to buy a prepaid credit pack, or select a membership. Membership. Pond5 membership collection is the largest and most comprehensive, featuring high-quality content from the best-selling contributors. It includes 10 downloads per month, the lowest prices on video footage, and more. The membership comes in a monthly and annual plan. Refund policy. Pond5 has a refund policy that allows you to request a refund within 24 hours of purchase in case you are not satisfied with it. Contributors. Becoming a contributor is free. After verification, contributors can upload their own content, set the price individually per item, and earn a specific percentage of the royalty share. The share may be increased by referrals. Referrals. You can share your unique referral with your network and get shares on their first purchase, while giving a discount for the customer too. Subsequent purchases from referred customers will contribute to your earnings for a full year. Free tools. Pond5 has a free AI-powered search tool that will help you find similar-looking content. Further, custom-built add-ons are available for Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro editing software to help your editing process go smoother. API. Resellers or marketing affiliates may partner with Pond5 to gain access to their API and give the users the best experience upon integration. Becoming a contributor on Pond5 has several benefits, though you get the biggest advantage when you go exclusive. The royalty framework rewards you for each sale, also adding a bonus upon bringing new customers. Earn a commission even when the referred new customer purchases someone else's content. You can build and customize your storefront page and link to your social media profiles. Non-exclusive video contributors may earn 40% royalty share. By going exclusive on footage, the royalty share is 60% with priority curation and support. By using referrals, the royalty share for exclusive contributors may go as high as 90%. Newly referred customers get 20% discount and you'll earn 20% of their first purchase as well. Subsequent purchases on your referrals will keep contributing to your earnings for a full year. You can earn an additional 10% when your referral purchases your work. Music and sound effects have 35% royalty share with an optional publishing service for collecting performance royalties. Other media types have 50% royalty shares. I recommend checking the royalty information on the Pond5 website, as these percentages may change over time. The dashboard provides statistics for tracked sales and referral earnings. The payments are available monthly by secure services such as PayPal. After checking out most of the players in the stock library industry, it can be easily concluded that Pond5 stands out as one of the leaders with state-of-the-art functions. One of their strongest features is the massive amount of content with a wide selection of media types. On top of that, they offer tools that are not always present at other portals. If you are a content creator, Pond5 has all the tools to help you earn a little extra by licensing out your media. In the long run, when properly managed, it may turn out quite a profitable venture. I highly recommend you give it a try. Also, don't forget to check out my Pond5 profile as well. The link is in the description. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Do you already use Pond5? What is your experience with it? Which feature do you like the most? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.